What's up, everyone on YouTube, Twitch? Thank you for tuning in, watching this video. So we have a lot going on right now. We are back. Let's start with Bitcoin, okay? So we are in some zones right now. It is Monday evening, August 25th. Bitcoin has tapped this daily level here, right in here, which I had a limit order on, and I'm currently riding on this trade. I do think this is that zone that we will continue from. I really do. We will mark this up in just a second, though. Give me 1 second. So if we mark up the fib from here to here, boom. So we tapped right into that 786 level. I mean, that is spot on, guys. It really is. It is spot on. But we also need to break this trend line that we now formed. That's a major trend line, okay? So if you see over here, we broke out of this trend line. When we did that, we exploded. We do, obviously, way too early to tell, but I'm just marking these now for when we do break out of these. We definitely are looking better. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance, it tapped just like how Bitcoin did on the actual chart. We tapped in this 57 major support level on the 4 hour. If we look at the ETH dominance, we have broken this. Okay, let's make a line here. Boom. We broke that. We broke above that. We are now pulling back. I don't think it's anything crazy. The Solana dominance. Since breaking out this trend line, we have created new highs, technically. New high, new high. So we are bullish, definitely on a little bit of a pullback. XRP dominance kind of been just sitting sideways. The others, same thing. Total, DeFi. Stable coins are in a spot right now that we want to see drop. I don't like that it made a lower high here. Right here, it made a lower high. Not necessarily what we want to see, but I'm hoping we drop from here. If it's not here that we drop from, it will be this next level, the 4.8 for USDT. USDC, roughly about the same thing, kind of. What you want to see, and then total market cap. We are in a support zone. Hopefully we rebound from here. We're just gonna wait and see. We are in that limit order on BTC, but so far that's it. So what you guys want to remember is you want stable coins to go down on the dominance. You want stable coin dominance to go down. When stablecoin dominance is going down, that means the money is going into the actual, all the coins that we buy and want to rally higher. When you see stablecoin dominance increasing, this is when they're selling off coins into stable coins. So you want stablecoin dominance to stay down. So that means the money is going into the coins. Does that make sense? What we are seeing here, and I know my charts might look crazy to some of you guys. I'm sorry if it is. But what we are seeing now is let's start with the main coins before we start going down to memes and other shit. I know this chart's crazy. I'm sorry. Okay, this one's a lot cleaner. So, this one, I want to get a cleaner one. There we go. Okay. I haven't really messed with this chart in a while. So let's just mark this together. So we got trend line. We're obviously bullish. Shot up, pulled back, shot up, pulled back, or shot up to there, sorry, pulled back. Right now we are in some major support here. And what I'm thinking is that I had a limit order set here for weeks ago. As you can see, it's, slowly in profit, not crazy, but little bit, not much. But so now I'm hoping that we make Bitcoin's new high. I think this could be the zone that does it. So if Bitcoin does not rebound from here to make a new high, so what I'm thinking is like 130. I'm looking for like 130, okay? And this stop loss could technically just be below that. Do you understand? This is a 1 to 9 risk to reward. But you have to remember, FOMC is next month. Where are we at here? I know, I got too many tabs. I'm sorry, guys. Right here, CME. Okay. This is the key. Okay, so we got 22 days till the next meeting. Look at the chance for a rate cut, guys. 83%. 83% chance that we will get a rate cut. Do you know what that means? I'm going to see if anyone's in the chat on Twitch right now. Hold on. Because I'm curious if any of you guys know what that means. If we have anyone. Oh, okay. We don't have anyone in Twitch right now. Otherwise, I'd be asking you. So, if we get this rate cut, markets will skyrocket. If they cut interest rates, the Fed, Jerome Powell, cuts interest rates on September 17th, markets will skyrocket. We have an 83% chance right now. If you look at the futures market, we definitely, this is for NASDAQ. I know we're going a little off topic here. Kind of in a weird spot right now. We're going to have to wait till tomorrow to see what happens, obviously. We can't, it's just too early to really see what they're going to do. But let's stay with crypto for now. So what I'm thinking is we bounce from here. Oh, and the other thing I want to look at is, let's look at, so money flow on the daily, all in green, but look at the money, we have been dipping lower. We do have a divergence. Technically, no dots, but if you look from here to here, it's definitely going down just a little bit. Not much. Let's open it up. Yeah, you can tell this is lower than this. Not good, right? Last time we were lower, and then this one's a little bit higher, not much. Look what happened. We bounced. We shot higher. Let's look at this. Last time we went lower. The market went down, but then it did rally. So it doesn't necessarily mean anything bad. We haven't printed any dots. I just want to show you guys some examples. Divergence here to here. And then we went sideways. And then divergence. Actually, if you look at this, if you really, actually it's pretty spot on. This one to this one's pretty spot on, and then that rally. So look at the RSI on the daily right now. Look at the RSI on the daily. We're starting to hopefully bend. I'm hoping we bend forward. Even if we just took this trade and only got to like 123, 124, still an amazing setup. It still would be, let's see, a 1 to 6, 1 to 7-ish, you know what I mean? Like, no matter what that setup. I'm hoping this shoots us to 130 on Bitcoin. So I just think, okay, I know the alts are starting to run more. I know we broke this support. But we did just tap into a major key level here. Okay, let's look at ETH. Same thing going on. Didn't quite tap in the same way, but it's on the 382 right now. If you go from that low. Let me see something though. What if we fib it from here? That's on the 618. That would be a great spot too. So, but I do think this demand area, technically we wicked into that though. That's the crazy thing. We did wick into this fair value. I mean, we filled all of this, tapped into here. I mean, this could just as well do well and run. Let's look at Solana together. Let's look at Solana. See, that's just not, I don't like that. It's just not quite there. I think this 181 level makes way more sense, guys. I just don't think Solana fully pulled back. And that yellow line's a key level on the daily. Yeah, I want to see Solana come down to 181. Let's look at SUI. So we called this entry last week, and I knew we'd get a huge rate, and I closed the trade. We tapped this resistance and we just couldn't get higher. I closed this, but I just left the mark up there, and it's funny because we are actually in that spot now. We're in the spot now. Are we not? Right? We're in that spot right now. So, you know, SUI's looking good. It's in a very, very big level right now. But if this breaks, yes, we're coming down to 280 again, which would be an amazing spot to buy more SUI, long-term, leverage, whatever. I would highly recommend if SUI comes down to 280, grab it. That's going to be a key level there. I want to get us to $5, or at least break 445. I want to get us to back to $5. Definitely.
Yeah, he can.
Let me just clean this up. Let me just clean that up. Yeah, that 280 level, man. I'm telling you. If we got down there, dude, it is such a sweet spot. I still can't wait for SUI to get back and blow past $5. That's what I'm waiting on. I want SUI to hit $5. I'm not gonna sell my long term, but I just want to hit a new high. You know, I want to get to a new level. I want to hit. Well, no, I want to hit past 530. I'm sorry, it already went to $5. What am I thinking? XRP is back down to 280s. This has been a major level in the past. You guys already know this. This has been a holding strong here. But also remember this 190 level was very strong too. I don't even know if it could break that, to be honest. We're on the 2.7 right now. On the fib on the daily from the low lows. From a very low spot. I want, you know, wow, guys. What is going on with Farcoin? Wow, I didn't know it went down to 7. It broke the major support. Wow. This is news to me. It's in a key level here. This is a very important level. It's on the daily, by the way. 350 here. We're nowhere right now. But if you fib up to here, we're right on the 786 from the low to the high of Farcoin on the daily. Or we're not quite. We're super close. We're gonna mark this up. You know, I don't even hold Farcoin long term. I don't spot or anything. But I guarantee this thing will hit $2 or 3 or 4. Like, I think this will hit $3. And if we got in here, I mean, that's a 270% at 270. I would be shocked. That's 300% gain. If we just got up to $3 on Farcoin. But I'm just wondering what's going on. Like, why is this one getting hit so hard? Hyper liquid, man. I told you guys back in April at $10. It's already, you know, a 4x, 400%. I marked this trade up, but it didn't hit that zone all the way. $38. I wish it would have. It got very close, but I didn't pull the trigger. It's shooting up right now, but this isn't a weird spot. I mean, it filled this fair value gap, and now it's running from what it looks like. Oh wow, Maker at 1440. Very key level on Maker right now. Let's see if it can hold this. I have some Maker. I kind of wish I just got at 2300. I think it's gonna do. I don't have a lot, but I do have some Maker. I've been holding it way too long. Maybe I'll swap my Maker into Farcoin. Fuck it. Not right now, but well, maybe right now would be a good time. Oh, we're getting a pullback. Not letting go of my position though. Definitely not letting go of this. Hold up. Yeah, too a little. I think right there is good. If we break below this, I'm just hoping this holds, but it might not. It might not. Let's look at some others. It doesn't look like Solana's doing the best. We had a major pullback. Okay, guys. Chainlink. Highly recommend buying Chainlink. Chainlink's a good buy. BNB is killing it. Everything's like right now in that zone, guys. It's just everything is like in a high demand zone. Uniswap, $9. Yeah. WorldCoin, Jupiter. Jupe's in a good spot. I think we just need to wait for markets tomorrow. Aerodrome's been killing it. I'd rather see it at like $1.11. That would be the next spot. Filecoin, Aave, Ondo, Injective's doing good. Curve. What was that? Neon, whoa. Neon went crazy. 7 cents all the way to 25 cents. Wow. Let's look at some memes. Peanut. Mooding, SPX, I mean, even that kind of dipped to a low spot. Yeah, that was a key level. See what it does in this zone. Looks good though. Pepe. Pepe's in a good spot. At 0, bro. Oh my god, look at that wick. What? Wow. That looks manipulated. Look at these gigantic wicks on it. Pump.fun. Dog with hat. Vine jelly. Let's look at Bonk. Bonk's not. Bonk took a hit. Hasn't broken this trend line yet. Income. Oh wow, Book of Memes went crazy. Well, missed hype, hype's run. XRP, guys. Man, I kind of like it. But I might try Sui. Solana wasn't quite in the right spot. XRP is leading the way. Oh, what's up, man? Jaden, what's going on? Trying to find all the newbies out of the market. Yup. Don't let them scare you. So now I want to add position. think I want to go XRP, guys. Maybe. I don't know. I feel like that's already starting to run too much. Kind of like ETH, though. We're doing the double dipper. Triple dipper. We're going to go with small stop. Maybe XRP is a bad entry. We're gonna find out. I might only take it to here. Alright guys, well, we're gonna see where this goes. Jaden, what's going on, man? I'm gonna get going, guys. Check out my YouTube page, Twitch, TikTok, at All In with Mitch on every platform. It's just not enough liquidity on this to really care. Future market's not really doing anything. It's too slow. I'm not going to jump in on it at nighttime, but crypto can move at night. I'm going to see what these do, man. We'll keep our eyes on them. XRP might have been a bad one to enter, but we'll see. Alright guys, I'm going to get this video out. I appreciate y'all. I just want to give you a little update on what's going on in the market right now. I hope you have an amazing night. I'll see you guys in the morning, 9 a.m. Eastern, 6 a.m. Pacific. Peace out. Hit the like and subscribe. Twitch, TikTok, YouTube. Follow me. See you guys there.